Alright, so my dad just got a new car. Sunflower's still here. It's kind of dead looking. But yeah, he just got this new car. I named it the Eggert 2000. It's a little Eggmobile. Just got it yesterday. I'm just gonna... Okay, there's physically and mentally no, license plate, so I'm just gonna... I mean, this, I think, counts as a... I don't know. Oh, this is his car. Small back seat area. It's normal back seat. Yep. Front seat. It's a little tiny car. Still good, though. And it's one of those old-fashioned cars where the doors are not even electronic. Door review. I love these handles. Cool handle. And yeah, that was Dad's car review. See you later.